What if your next lawyer was an AI? Imagine stepping into a courtroom and instead of a human attorney, a smart machine is arguing your case. Harvey AI is not just a concept, it is actively being trained to handle legal arguments, predict case outcomes, and even draft legal strategies. For anyone worried about sky-high legal fees, long delays, or being outmaneuvered in court, this technology could completely change the game. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll understand why your legal future might belong to a machine. 5. Understanding Harvey AI. Harvey AI is a specialized artificial intelligence built exclusively for the legal industry. It is trained on thousands of court cases, legal documents, and textbooks. Unlike ordinary software that only fills out forms, Harvey can analyze complex information, spot patterns, and suggest strategies tailored to a specific case. Essentially, it is a virtual lawyer that never gets tired, forgets details, or misses deadlines. What sets Harvey apart is its ability to understand context. It doesn't just provide generic answers or copy-paste legal text. It can reason, anticipate how a judge or opposing counsel might react, and even propose creative solutions. Imagine having an assistant that can read every relevant case in seconds, something no human lawyer could ever do. This speed and efficiency is one of the reasons experts are watching this AI closely. Harvey can also help reduce costs. Traditional lawyers charge hundreds of dollars an hour, and cases often drag on for months or even years. By using AI to handle research, document drafting, and even argument planning, legal services could become much more affordable. For individuals and small businesses, this could be a game changer. But it also raises questions about the role of human lawyers in the near future. 4. How Harvey AI works in court. So how exactly could Harvey AI function in a courtroom? Right now, it can assist lawyers behind the scenes, preparing documents, reviewing evidence, and predicting potential outcomes. But researchers and companies are testing scenarios where AI could take on more direct responsibilities, including suggesting real-time arguments during a trial. The process begins with data input. Lawyers or clients provide case details, including evidence, witness statements, and prior rulings. Harvey then analyzes this data and cross-references it with thousands of similar cases. The AI can highlight legal precedents that might strengthen the argument, point out weaknesses, and even suggest alternative strategies. One of the most impressive features is predictive analysis. Harvey can estimate the likelihood of winning a case based on historical data. This doesn't mean it guarantees a win, but it helps lawyers and clients make informed decisions. Some legal firms already use AI tools to negotiate settlements because the technology can pinpoint the most favorable outcomes faster than any human team could. Despite this sophistication, Harvey is not perfect. AI is still learning the nuances of human behavior, emotional appeals, and courtroom dynamics. Judges and juries are influenced by personality, tone, and delivery, areas where AI currently struggles. But the technology is evolving rapidly, and researchers are exploring ways for AI to suggest the most persuasive language for written and verbal arguments. 3. Myths and misconceptions about AI lawyers. Many people imagine a robot standing in a courtroom with a monotone voice reading legal text. That is far from reality. Harvey AI is not replacing human interaction entirely. Instead, it is designed to assist lawyers, improve efficiency, and enhance decision-making. Another common misconception is that AI could be biased or unreliable. While it is true that AI learns from existing data, developers are carefully monitoring the training process to reduce bias. In some cases, AI can even be more objective than humans because it doesn't have personal feelings or external pressures influencing its decisions. Some skeptics also worry about legality. Currently, AI cannot officially represent a client in most courts, but it can draft motions, summarize case files, and support lawyers during trials. The real question is how soon regulations will adapt. Legal systems evolve slowly, but pressure is mounting as technology proves its reliability. This could lead to AI playing a formal role in courtrooms sooner than many expect. Finally, there is fear that AI will make lawyers obsolete. In reality, the opposite may be true at first. Lawyers who learn to use AI effectively will have a significant advantage over competitors. Those who resist may struggle, but the human touch, courtroom experience, and negotiation skills will remain valuable. The future likely involves collaboration between AI and human professionals rather than outright replacement. 2. Real-world impact and examples. Some law firms are already experimenting with AI tools similar to Harvey. They are using these systems to review contracts, identify legal risks, and predict litigation outcomes. A notable example comes from the corporate world, where companies are using AI to flag potential compliance violations in minutes instead of days. Beyond corporations, AI has the potential to impact ordinary people. Imagine being able to get affordable legal advice for small claims, traffic violations, or landlord disputes without paying hundreds of dollars an hour. Harvey AI could help clients prepare strong cases and understand their rights more clearly. This democratization of legal knowledge is perhaps the most exciting aspect of the technology. There's a twist to the rise of AI in law. Some experts warn that widespread use of tools like Harvey AI could shake up the legal job market. Entry-level paralegals, junior lawyers, and legal assistants often handle repetitive research and document preparation, tasks that AI can perform faster and more accurately. This could reduce demand for certain positions. However, it also opens new opportunities for lawyers who focus on AI oversight, ethical compliance, and strategic application. The legal profession may shift, rewarding those who can work alongside AI rather than compete with it. One emotional element cannot be ignored. People often feel intimidated by the legal system. Courtrooms are stressful, confusing, and expensive. Having AI as a support tool could level the playing field for people who otherwise would struggle to get proper representation. This human benefit is often overlooked in debates about AI replacing jobs. 1. The future of AI in law. Looking ahead, Harvey AI and similar technologies could transform the legal landscape entirely. Some researchers imagine AI taking on more complex cases, negotiating settlements, and even participating in courtroom simulations to prepare lawyers for real trials. The big question is how quickly regulations will catch up. Some jurisdictions are exploring pilot programs where AI-assisted legal advice is officially recognized. Others are taking a more cautious approach, emphasizing ethics, accountability, and liability. As AI becomes more integrated, laws themselves may need to adapt to accommodate this new type of legal professional. There is also a philosophical debate. Can justice be served by a machine? Humans bring empathy, intuition, and moral judgment to legal decisions. AI, on the other hand, relies on patterns and data. The future of law may involve a careful balance where machines provide speed, efficiency, and precision, while humans provide judgment, ethics, and persuasion. Imagine a courtroom in 2030 where Harvey AI is helping both sides prepare their arguments, predicting outcomes, and drafting motions in real time. Lawyers would no longer work alone. They would be supported by super intelligent assistants capable of analyzing more information than any human could process. The potential is both thrilling and unsettling. Harvey AI is not just a tool, it is a glimpse into the future of law. What we once thought was science fiction is quickly becoming reality. AI could make legal services faster, cheaper, and more accessible, while also transforming how lawyers work and how cases are argued in court. The promise is clear. With AI, people could finally have a fairer chance in the courtroom, corporations could manage risk more effectively, and lawyers could focus on strategy instead of paperwork. At the same time, we must consider ethics, human oversight, and the evolving role of humans in this AI-driven legal world. So what do you think? Could you trust an AI to represent you in court? Are lawyers at risk, or is this just another way to make legal help more accessible? Comment below and let me know where you're watching from and share your thoughts. If you found this video eye-opening, make sure to hit subscribe, share it with friends who care about the future of law, and check out our next video to explore the AI technologies that could change your world even more.